Today we'll learn about the intake air temperature sensor, also known as the IAT sensor. This small sensor plays a big role in your engine's performance. It measures the temperature of air entering the engine and sends this information to the ECU. The ECU uses IAT readings to calculate how much fuel to inject. Cold air is dense and has more oxygen, so the ECU increases fuel for better combustion. Hot air is thinner, so the ECU reduces fuel to maintain balance. The IAT sensor is usually located in the air intake duct near the air filter or built into the MAF sensor. Inside, it has a tiny thermistor that changes its resistance according to air temperature, high resistance in cold, low resistance in heat. A dirty or faulty IAT sensor can cause incorrect temperature readings. This leads to poor fuel economy, hard starting, rough idling, and the check engine light. You can easily test your IAT sensor with a multimeter. Disconnect the sensor connector. Set the multimeter to resistance mode, ohms. At room temperature, it should show 2K, 3K ohms. Heat the sensor gently. Resistance should drop. If it doesn't change or reads 0 infinity, the sensor is bad. If the sensor is just dirty, clean it with a muff cleaner. Never touch the sensing tip. If damaged, replace it with a new one and clear error codes from the ECU.